Morehead State senior cross country and track and field Sam Lucas, who is just completing his career and is moving on, graduating in May with a degree in mechanical manufacturing engineering technology. I may have gotten the order wrong, but nonetheless it's the right area. Sam is from Louisville and is going off to work at GE in Alabama after he graduates. So Sam, congratulations.
Thank you.
on the accomplishments. Your time here at MSU, academics, student life, athletics, kind of what are you going to look back on as kind of your thoughts about your time here?
Yeah, academics was the real reason that I was here. I was here to get a degree in engineering, and that's what I spent a lot of time doing. A lot of late nights studying, a lot of homework assignments turned in at 11:59 when they were due at midnight, a lot of days spent in the lab, but running was why I kept staying here. I came here for engineering, but running was why I stayed. And the boys really just pulled me through every moment when it was rough, when late nights came into early mornings and you were tired and you didn't want to do anything. The boys kept you moving, kept you coming around. Great motivation all the time. Never a bad day with the boys. You know, there was always good vibes.
So it sounds like the friendships were kind of really one of your main takeaways from this. Is that what you're going to look back on in 10 years and kind of remember as the kind of the most significant thing?
Absolutely. And in 10 years, I can always think back and, you know, I'll tell my kids stories about when we would travel 6-7 hours in the middle of the night to go watch OVC men's basketball absolutely dominate the OVC tournament. So those are always highlights, getting painted up in the parking lot, playing cornhole before games when it's pouring down rain. Those are the best memories that I'm going to take with me forever.
Do you have any funny stories traveling with the team, or maybe in a race, or maybe a highlight from any of your races or meets?
You know, some stories are meant not to be told, but the fun ones that can be told always start with the back of the bus when everybody's screaming and being absurdly loud and it's dark outside and everybody wants to go to sleep, but there's a couple of us that just party all night long on the back of the bus. Those are always incredible times. And then times when we're not at the meets and we're just joking around after a Bible study or after we're all hanging out and somehow somebody's room in an apartment ends up in the middle of the soccer field. You know, those are always memories that stay with me forever, and I'll never forget those.
Okay, well, now with you moving on, you're going to leave some of your teammates behind. It also means that some people are going to come in to replace you. Do you have any things that you want to pass along, maybe those that you are your current teammates or folks that are coming in, maybe words of advice?
Yeah, the main thing that I tried to live by is have fun. Have fun in whatever you're doing. If you're running and it sucks, go run someplace new and have fun. If you're doing a homework assignment and it sucks, go do something fun afterwards. You know, make everything a little bit of fun, and if you hang out with the guys and the culture stays the way it is, everything's going to be fun. Spike ball on the soccer field's going to be fun. Like, everything's going to be a great time if you make it a great time.
All right, and then finally, who is clearly the best looking guy on the track and field and cross country teams?
I think I outrank most people, but you know, I think I'm the most attractive guy out there. I'm just the best there is. I wake up and
I don't think there's anything that more typifies you than that answer right there. So, Sam, hey, it's been great having you around. Congratulations on what you've accomplished. We'll miss you, but we'll look forward to hopefully doing good things and maybe coming back. So I appreciate you taking the time to come in, and again, best of luck going forward.
Go Eagles, baby.